morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Do you remember what we learned yesterday? Yes, we learned about good habits. Now we will do an activity. In this activity, we will use some real objects and some pictures. Now this is a picture of boy who is brushing his teeth. This is a picture of hands with long nails. This is a picture of a boy coughing. This is a picture of girl who have long hair. And the last picture, a boy is washing his hands. This is a comb, nail cutter, tissues, hand wash, toothbrush and toothpaste. So let's start the activity. Now see what I have got here. I have got some of the real objects and some pictures which are related to the objects that I have kept here. So let's start. The first picture that I have taken is of hands having long nails. Now tell me children, which object we will use to trim our nails? Yes, it is nail cutter. So we will match nail cutter with this picture. Now the next picture is of a boy coughing. Now which object we should use to cover our mouth while coughing or sneezing? Yes, we should use a handkerchief or tissue paper to cover our mouth and nose. So we will match tissue paper with the picture of boy coughing. The next picture that I have taken is of a girl having long hair. Now who will tell me which object we will use to keep our hair neat and tangle free? Yes, we will use a comb. So we will match comb with the picture of long hair. Now the next picture that I have taken is of a boy washing his hands. We should wash our hands before and after our meal, after using washroom and after coming home from outside with soap or hand wash. So we will match hand wash with this picture. Now the last picture which is left is of a boy standing with toothbrush and toothpaste in his hand. We should use toothbrush and toothpaste to brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night to keep our teeth clean and germs free. So we will match toothbrush and toothpaste with this picture. Now children, here is a worksheet of good habits. In this worksheet, you can see the pictures related to the good habits and bad habits. First, we will see the pictures. If the picture is related to the good habit, we will put tick mark in the box which is given below the picture. And if the picture is related to the bad habits, we will put cross in the box which is given below the picture. So, let's start from the first picture. First picture is of a girl waking up early in the morning. So, tell me, is this good habit or bad habit? Yes, of course, this is good habit. So, we will put tick mark in the given box. Now, the second picture is of a boy spilling his food. You can see in this picture, the boy is spilling his food on the floor. So, is it good habit or bad habit? Yes, it is bad habit. So, we will put cross in the given box. Now, the third picture is a girl brushing her teeth. So, is it good habit or bad habit? Yes, it is good habit. So, we will put tick mark in the given box. Now, the fourth picture is of a boy taking bath. Now, who is going to tell me, is this good habit or bad habit? Yes, you are right. It is good habit. So, we will put tick mark in the given box. Now, the last picture is of a boy putting finger in his nose. Is it good habit? No, it is bad habit. So, we will put cross in the given box. So, tomorrow I will come with the solution of this worksheet. So, take care and bye.